We are currently on day 6 of the XLM rally. But did you know XLM's biggest rally in recent history lasted 21 days? Maybe we got even more time left to pump this thing on up. We've also got the market bottom. I got some charts to show you. Is it priced in? Well, for most things, it sure does look like it. And I've got updated crypto ownership stats for you. What percentage of the world's population owns crypto? Happy Sunday morning, crypto fans. Let's hope the rest of this week is as amazing as today is starting. XLM sitting at 10.6, still above 10 cents. ETH 1918, Bitcoin sitting at 30,533, with XRP up 1.5%, sitting at 47.9. 2.6% of Portugal's population holds crypto. Portugal's crypto investment market has experienced steady growth, unlike the United States, with an estimated 268,000 individuals venturing into cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Currently, there are over 420 million crypto investors worldwide. Nice number choice, which highlights a significant global interest in these digital assets. Data from AAA suggests that crypto investments in Portugal should be higher and account for approximately 4.2% of the population, indicating potential for further expansion. When analyzing the data in terms of population percentage, the United Arab Emirates emerges as a frontrunner with a remarkable 27.6% of its population holding crypto. What about India and the United States? I got you covered. India, with around 103 million crypto investors, leads the way in terms of population percentage, with 7% of its population embracing crypto. China close with 58 million and 4%. But what about the United States? The United States boasts ownership of 45 million investors with an impressive 13.22% of the population. So for those out there today, crypto is dead in the United States. Well, let's be real here. In terms of regulatory stuff in Gary Gensler, yeah, he's doing a hell of a job. But people are still getting into it. People are still buying. 13.2% of people? That's a lot of people in the United States. And that's despite all of this action going on with the SEC and Gary Gensler. I got a chart for you. Assets that have hit the bottom, assets that are still declining, and assets that are rebounding. All right, chart up on the screen. Ranking of performance of major global assets, okay? Everything from energy to metals to stocks, ags, bonds, and all this stuff, okay? What has made the biggest move or decline since the start of 2023? Bitcoin up 83%, NASDAQ up 31%, Nikkei in Germany DAX up 27 and 15%. Euro stocks are up. Spot gold is up. British pound, euro. Okay, now wait. We've got a bunch of things, though, that are the negative for the year. US dollar index, Chinese yuan, iced coffee, spot silver, yen. Look at all the oil, spot platinum, CBOT, wheat, corn, LME nickel, New York natural gas. So we've got quite a few things out there that haven't hit the bottom that are still in a massive decline. But you're starting to see things start popping and breaking here. 2023. All right. In my opinion, crypto winter is over, which means we're in the crypto spring. Remember, you could still have bad weather days in the spring. You could still get snow in the spring, thunderstorms, tornadoes, hail, all that kind of stuff. It appears, though, that we've hit the bottom. While some assets are definitely struggling. Look at wheat. Look at corn. Look at oil. That's crazy. Definitely crazy. But crypto, led by Bitcoin, is on the way up in 2023. Max Kaiser was throwing some heat out there. Now look, I brought this up in another video. I just want to share with you. Max Kaiser is calling for the elimination of all cryptos. He basically wants Bitcoin to be the one and only, and that's it. Doesn't care how he gets to the finish line if it means destroying everything around him. He just wants to get to the finish line. All right, XLM. Let's first go to this one here. All right, we saw the move. This happened a few days ago, okay? We saw the move, went over 11.5, tried it a couple times, could not hold it. Since retraced under 11, but we found support here around that 10.5 cent mark. So that's the measure that I'm looking for right now. I'm looking at 10.5 cents and I'm looking at 11. Can we keep above the 10.5 and can we break 11? If we don't do either of those, we're going to go right back under that 10 cent mark. There's no news driving this. Now, people out there are going to say, yo, Klaus, but seriously, the news with XLM that's pumping this is Coinbase using USDC on Stellar Chain. Guys, Coinbase sucks. Coinbase doesn't have volume worth of poo-poo, so Coinbase using USDC on seller, it's not going to drive everything. Guys, this isn't like 2021, 2020 with crypto market and everyone trading left and right. This is a very, very different time. So no, the move now is not from Coinbase using Stellar's USDC. This is just an artificial pump here. So now when we look at the charts and we talk about pumps and how long can this last, this pump here for XLM came at the end of March, lasted 21 days where we were above the 10-cent mark. Right now we're on day 6. This move hit higher, all right? This move hit way higher. This move here, we got it all the way up to 11.6. The previous move, we only got up to 11.3. So we got a stronger hit on this move, a faster hit on the way up, because if you look at the bottom, boy, did we move that from that bottom. And you can see both bottoms very identical. 7.6 to 11 cents. People have made money twice playing short runs with XLM. Now, will this move last? If we look at these candlesticks right here, you can see we hit that high. We have since retraced quite heavily since. But above that 10.5 cent mark where we saw some near-term support. But again, there's no news fueling this. So is this going to be an artificial pump just like we saw at the end of March that did not last through mid-April? And let's be real here. Does it really matter what is causing the XLM pump? XLM has been such a laggard that we're all excited to see any price movement, even if it's just artificial. Now, yes, we would love to see big news things drive the price, but news isn't driving the price in terms of development of these cryptos. It's macroeconomic conditions and pumps like you're seeing now. In fact, I've seen a bunch of comment out there about the Brad Garlinghouse end of the month pump for when Ripple Labs dumps the extra billy onto the market. God, I hope that's not the case with all these cryptos and they're able to manipulate the prices like that. That would be extremely messed up. But we're gonna stay positive here as this is day 6 of XLM staying above 10 cents. This is the second time this year that this has happened, and this move here has had a stronger hit on the high side, but we're gonna have to see if it lasts. 21 days on the previous move, and we're at day 6 right now. Now, I did a video yesterday about the big dates affecting crypto. CPI data, Fed now coming out on the 20th. A lot of stuff here can impact crypto in the month of July. That video is found right here. Check it out. It's just a couple minutes long. Got all the big dates. Just save it so when the calendar and those dates come up, you know why crypto is moving. Want to see what I do outside of crypto? Support my hobbies by free subscribing, yes, to this channel right here. What am I doing? Pre-burn, workout. You cool cats, have a great rest of your day.